Just simply a little baked potato in the air fryer, but a couple tips to go with it. I use these little metal pans and I wash them and reuse them. I put oil on the bottom and then I like the bottom crispy. So I put all four in there. And I'm going to use the bake feature. You can use the air fryer feature if you want to. And I put a little spritz of oil on the top too, because again, I love that crispy skin. Put a little coarse salt. See, this isn't the air fryer motor. It would have a basket. But put a little coarse salt on there and make sure you stab them before you put them in there. They're going to bake, and of course not this long. But I wanted to just show you the skin on the top and on the bottom. These were little tiny potatoes that I had left, so maybe we can even have two of them. But listen to that little crisp skin, top and bottom. And what we had was our salmon, and also cooked in the air fryer, or potato and some cream spinach. Recipes on my site.